think we're ready to start. Our judges have done their tabulation. So our first prize is going to be the Best Engine Award, and that person's going to get $150 in cash. And that is car number 12, Tom Lopez. Tom, where are you? Tell us about your car, Tom. What was it? 32 Roadster with probably a Chevy V8. Okay, there you go. Congratulations. And he's got some cash in his hands to put some premium gas in that Chevy motor. That's great. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Okay, our next one is the Best Interior.